we will continue with our series. Previously, we are discussing about this purchase order. Again, every time you update this example, I will make a new purchase order. So after I update this supplier, automatically it will generate the order number. Look. So this order number is based on the current date, time, here, and year. So this is the one automatically. No need to type, automatically it will generate the order number. So next we will put the order line here. So before that, we will need to add some field into our purchase details, which we can use. Here I will add in, out, quantity, or I just copy this one so that the same data type, in, out, quantity, this one. Then here line status. We will add here, first is return, receive, and confirm. So meaning this confirm, this is confirm PO, so we will just waiting for the goods to arrive. So we will use this one, this return. If we will choose return, automatically it will update our current inventory, and if we will select also receive, automatically it will add to our current inventory. Then we'll put some notes here. Then on purchase order also, we need to add the status. We'll put pending, cancelled, return, because before we put return on purchase details, but line by line, this one is the whole PO. Completed and closed. Then we will modify also our here purchase order query. We need to add that status here. So that we can add a status. Okay, now we will add order line in that we will put into our purchase order here. We need to add order line. In order to add order lines, we need to select this one, purchase details, this one, then go to create, then more forms, then this one, multiple items. Then we will modify here, we will delete, and I will change the background to blue, and I will make it white font. I will delete this one, then line status, we'll delete this one, need amount and description. So this is the one we'll use. Unit quantity, unit price, so I will remove this one. We'll adjust the width. Size widest, price, then we will make sure format is standard. Okay, next is here, I need to modify this one, description. Okay, here instead of text box, we need to make it drop down here, or combo box. How? Just select this one, then right click, then change to combo box, lock. Okay, now we need to go to data. So this is the control source, but the row source we will use select query, item inventory, just double click, then item code, unit price, and description. So in our combo box, this column 0, column 1, and column 2. Okay, now we'll open, look, it's showing the item code. So we need to fix this one. Here, column count, we need to change to 3, and here our column 1, which is item code, we'll put the width is 0, then semicolon. Next is the item code, or price rather, we'll make it 0, then semicolon, and last the description, we'll put at least 3.15 width, then hit the tab. Okay, now look, if I select this one, our description will show here. That with the 0, it will hide, but this one only appear here. So if I select this one, automatically it will update. However, the price is not shown, so we need to modify this one. After updating our combo box, after example water, automatically the corresponding price, it will update. Okay, now it's coming error because this one is, we need the purchase order. Here, F sub, then this one is purchase order line. So this is error because our item or PO number is required, that's why it's coming error, but we will fix that one later. Here, after update, we need to put code on error, then go to error handler. We'll copy this one to make it here. To make video short, then I will put here dim control as control, then set control equal me.active control, which is our combo box. Now we will assign the current price here, current price in unit price. So the name is unit price. Me.unit price equal CTRL column 1. Why 1? Because again, here are our combo box. This is the column 0, then column 1, this is the unit price. So whatever the price for corresponding item, it will update. Me control. Okay. Look, if I select this one, milk, automatically the price will update. This is the price. If we will check here, this is the one, milk 50, next water 25. If I select water 25, and if I select noodles 15. Now we will put this one into our purchase order. Again, it will come in error because it needs the purchase order number. But here, purchase order, I will fix this because here our address is not shown full. I will adjust the width. Okay, it's clear.